Hi, welcome to this lesson. Here we are going to see products that are not sold. Yeah, products that are not sold. So we saw customers that haven't taken a loan in 2019 on the last video. In this video, we are going to look at products that are not sold over a period of time. So in 2019, we are going to consider 2019 as well. So to do that, we'll come to measures, new measure. So all this, you can also apply it in any parameter relating to your organization. So we call this loan product not sold. Yeah. Again, we use a variable. We call this variable just to make our measure more readable. Loans not sold. So this across product now. The first time we did across customers. That is equal to. So we will use this table function called filter to filter the loan table for us and check loan sales. So if it's blank, so it will return this as not sold. If it's blank on the loan sales side, it will return it as not sold. Else, so it returns it as the product sold. So let's quickly do that. We use our filter function. Then our loan product table, comma. So it takes the product. Then if it's blank on our loan count. So now we are considering loan sale in 2019. So before we go further, let's create another variable here before we do loans not sold. Let's even do loans sold in 2019. So loan sold 2019. So that is var loan sold 2019. So that will be equal to I think we have one measure for loan sales in 2019. So let's call up that measure. Let's see if we can use it. No loan sold. So, but we have total loan sales. So then with that, calculate loan sold, our expression now, our dim date, calendar year. So dim calendar year equal to 2019. So 10, yeah. Now, so we are going to now say check the loan table using this loan sales in 2019. If it's blank, return that there is no loan sold in 2019 across for this particular product. Yeah, that's what we just did. Then we break lines. Let's close this bracket, come downwards and say, now we'll put another variable to count this loan because this is a table function. So that just filters the loans products that have no sales. That's what this filter formula just did. So now we are not going to count what the filter formula returned. So we call this count loans not sold. Okay, that'll be equal to, we can use count rows. Then what are we counting the rows? Our table is loans not sold. That's our virtual table. So we now go to, okay, we can call this, okay, we can now go to return, count loans not sold. Count loans not sold. Yeah. Plus, let's do plus 1. I'll show you what that plus 1 will do here. Okay, enter. All right. So this is by product. Let's go and let's put the measure loan product not sold. Let's put it here. And let's make this a metrics table. Or instead of 1 plus 1, let me say plus 0, so that whatever is 0 is the product sold. Whatever is not 0, so whatever is some other number, 1 is product not sold. So now, let's go to our product table, our loan product table. Loan product table. We have our product category. Yeah, so all product category are sold. Let's see how it looks like month on month. Let's go to our date table. Ooh, wow. Our date table. Let's look at month. Where is month? Okay, this month here. This is month. So, okay, the months are not sorting correctly. We can take care of that. Let's see if we can take care of sort by. Let's sort. Okay, these months are not arranged. Okay, let's go to our table, our calendar table, and sort that month accordingly. So this is calendar table. So where is that month? This month. So we'll sort months by month number. So that is it. Month number. Yeah. Okay. So let's go back there. That should, yeah, it's arranged properly now. So we can see that some products are not sold. So those are those ones returning numbers. Yeah. Apart from that are not 0. The products that are sold are returning 0, while those that are not sold are returning all these numbers. So for some to get proper visualization of what this looks like, we'll have to just do some work. So let me go to the subtotals and remove row and column. Yeah, so row and column totals, so they go off. After product category name, that will be product subcategory. So we have to bring it to the granular form so that the experience will be better. Yeah. So let me drill down here. Let me just drill down here. Oh, this just drills down to the product name. I want the one that will drill down everything. This is what I want. Okay, you can see. So anything represented by 1, it means there are no sales for that product. Why 0 means that there are sales for the product. So I can come to I think that should be in, is it grid? No. Think values here. Let me increase this font a bit. Okay, let me increase it from 10 to let me say 14. Yeah, 14 is better. So just to make it bigger. So I'll still increase these ones as well. But on the meantime, let's go to what we want to do with this. So we'll put a conditional formatting here that when the product is not sold, it should be red, else it should be green. The product is sold. So come here, conditional formatting, background color. So colors, we will use our rules. So do values and totals. So if value is 0, that means product sold. It should give us green. Let's look for a more greener color. So it will give us green. This is too faint. See this. This is fine. So let's add another rule. If it's 1, so it will give us red. that means no sale of that product. Or instead of red, let's use red. No sale is no sale. It's red. We click on OK. So you see the background color changes. But in presenting this, we can't show this like this because the people will be seeing 0 in there and 1 in there. They don't know what it means. So this is what we do again. So go to conditional formatting again. Instead of background color this time, we'll go for font color. So the same thing, rules, values and totals. So if it's 0, that means it's that same green, that is this green. Then new rule, if it's 1, that same red color. So the colors are similar. So one, it just overlaps the other. So this is it. So as a salesperson, once you are viewing this, you know that for this car loan, you had sales all through the year. You can see this other loan. You can see this other car loan. There are some months where there are sales. There are some months where there are no sales. You can see all across. Red means no sales. Green means there is sales of that particular product. Another way we can do it to avoid this being clumsy is to come to, I think that should be not style. That should be our column. It should be along column or row. Let's check column. Okay, not column. So let's check row. So there's one thing. I want to do something here. Row, where would that be? Is it in values? Just to merge some parts of the rows and okay. So I can't seem to find that here now. Then I'll look for it and maybe show you. I have stepped layout. This is what I'm looking for. Step layout. This is under row, step layout. So I'll click on off. So it's more, you can see car loan, you can see it more clearly now. So compared to how it was before. So with this, sales team will be able to, or a business team will be able to see the products that they've not sold based on time. Okay, that'll be all for this lesson. I'll see you in the next lesson.